Peace and love to you, beautiful people. Today we continue our discussion on plants you should have in your garden. Yesterday we were focusing on old man's beard, which is also called osnea, and we found out it's a lichen and therefore it's a combination of fungi and algae forming an organism that will attach to a living plant and will grow. It's not a parasite. Today we are looking at the Jamaican balmus, which is similar to osnea or old man's beard. In fact, we call the Jamaican balmus old man's beard also, but its scientific name is Tillandsia recurvata. Well, I'm hoping I'm pronouncing it correctly. So this is the Jamaican balmus. If you look at it closely, it still has the trans like the old man's beard, but it's round in appearance. It's almost like a bird nest. If you look, and I'm going to show you again the old man's beard from yesterday in my mango tree. Here it is. So this one has long strands. There it is, all growing long like we're in a rainforest here. You know, this is my mango tree. I just love the appearance it gives to my mango tree. And here we have the balmus, Tillandsia recurvata. And based on the research, they call them epiphytes. Now, epiphytes are different from lichens. Epiphytes, they just need somewhere to attach themselves to grow, and they get their nutrient from the air around them. Their fluids, moisture in the air feeds them. In fact, here in Jamaica, we see them growing on the what we call light wires or electrical lines. So it's very common. A lot of people see them. Sometimes as children, we used to have fun just picking them and throwing them around. Didn't know how much value they have. So today we are going to find out a little more about Jamaican balmas. Extensive research was done by the Jamaican researcher Dr. Henry Lowe. Now, Henry Lowe is a common name in Jamaica because he did research. He's one of the chief scientists in discovering the medicinal properties in cannabis or ganja as we know it. Um, he has um, he has a wellness spa, well known, called Eden Gardens, and there he manufacture nutraceuticals. He has many teas, Balmas tea, guinea hen teas, all these teas are available because he has done extensive research and he has proven the value of Jamaican Balmas. So therefore, what we are going to find out today is that Balmas is very, we'd say it has some of the properties. They have isolated medicinal properties in this little tiny balmas here. They have identified properties which can help to prevent certain cancers, especially prostate cancer and breast cancer. So we in Jamaica, you have many of our men, a large percentage of our men, they are being treated for prostate cancer, and many of our women are being treated for breast cancer. So this plant, it can help to prevent these types of cancer. And as we go along, we will learn more and more as to how we can use them. But for now, I'll just let you know that it's already packaged by Eden Gardens. You can get your tea in the supermarket under Eden Gardens brand. So you can just go and look for ball mass, and you can make your tea with it. In another video, we'll talk about how we can harvest it without destroying um, the whole crop, and we are able now to use it for ourselves, and if we do not wish to go and purchase it. So until next time, live and let love. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe.